Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. Today we are going to talk about child support money. Where does the money go? I wanted to dispel a rumor today because the parent who I said is the possessory conservator, that's the parent who the child does not live with primarily. There have been some sort of ideologies going on and being stated that the managing conservator whom the child does live with, they need to provide some sort of accounting or invoicing for their child support money after it's received. And by no means is that true. So what happens is the managing conservator, the parent who the child resides with, they receive a certain amount of child support every month. And it varies because it depends on how much money the person whom the child does not reside with makes based on their net monthly resources. So how does that look after the money is paid? So I'm going to give you guys a quick little scenario, okay? Let's say hypothetically the parent who the child does not reside with is ordered to pay child support in the amount of $350 a month. Okay, not bad. So let's break that down. $350 a month. When you divide that number by 30, which is the usual amount of days that is in a month. Let's see, we'll get 350 divided by 30. That's about $11.67 a day. You and I both know it takes more than $11 a day to support a child. Let's take that a step further. Keeping in mind that $11.67. Let's keep that amount in mind. And let's go through expenses for the parent whom the child resides with primarily. This parent may have a one-bedroom apartment. However, it's not very likely depending on the age of the child. So if you're dealing with a child that may be, let's say, 5 years old or older, some maybe even 3 or 4, the parent who the child lives with is more than likely going to get a 2-bedroom apartment. A 1-bedroom just will not be efficient. So a 1-bedroom is, say, $600. Well, a 2-bedroom, because they need the extra room for that child, is $850. In addition to having to get a 2-bedroom apartment, you also are looking at an increase in the electricity bill monthly. Kids require light. They require internet if they're doing homework. They require all types of things that, can make an electricity bill go up. So that's the utility bill we're looking at right there. Let's say that is $80 a month. Let's take it a step further. School lunches. I have a son myself. So when you break that down, it comes out a little bit more than $11.67. Same thing with the rent of $850. Way more expensive than $11.67 a month. And that's not including, like as I stated, the internet bill for their child's education. That's not taking into account any sort of medical insurance that parent who the child lives with is responsible for paying. So that's just something to keep in mind. Where does that money go? How does it look? And how does it break down? Before you can even get to miscellaneous expenses and any type of entertainment that parent will be doing, you first have to look at the living necessities that they have. So $350 a month broken down for 30 days only equates to about $11.67. If you're a parent, a working parent in Texas, you know that $11.67 does not take care of even a third of the necessary living expenses for a child. So I wanted to share that with you all, just something to keep in mind when you think about the calculation of child support. It goes off of whatever the possessory conservator. Again, that's the person who the child does not live with on a primarily basis, that they're responsible for paying to the person who the child lives with on a daily basis. Again, support court with Judge Vonda B is here to help you with all of your child support needs, or any questions you may have, any rumors you want to dispel about child support, what it is and what it is not. We are here to entertain you as well as educate you about Texas law in regards to child support. Again, I'm Vonda Bailey. I'm a licensed attorney in the state of Texas. I practice law almost exclusively in the area of family law, and it involves child support matters. So again, we are adjourned for today, and we will follow up with you soon. When we reconvene, we will be talking about, I can't tell you, you guys will have to tune in and find out later. Have a good day.